Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. This four-door minivan has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler is a great value with less than 47,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.